Look at that, look at that, look at that beautiful Golf R. Just look at that. Yep. Now this is the R, not just wannabe R. It's got raised forged wheels, AP Racing, big brake rotors with cuts on it. So it's got everything, bucket seats, the R, panoramic sunroof. Yes, there you go. That's the indication. It's 4Motion. Steering controls. It's got boost controller. Holster. Very super clean interior. Double tip mammoth exhaust. Back sway bar. Wheel, some extra wiring for subwoofers. So it's got just a scratch here on the door, so I would say 2 doors need to paint. Other than that, it's really nice condition. Oh, I forgot to see the mileage. We'll go back to it. Really lovely, really nice.